So funny enough, someone said, I can't wait to hear you pronounce the official colorway on the box for this Nike SB Dunk Low. So it is pronounced Cacao Wow Summit White. And we're grateful for cacao seeds because that's how we actually get chocolate. And I'm a big fan of chocolate. But on to the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro here in the all over Paisley print. There's no collab for this specific colorway. However, it is inspired by 70s t-shirts. That's right, back in the 1970s, a lot of t-shirts would feature a Paisley print or design. So Nike took that a step further with an entire line of Paisley print dunks and this SB Dunk. Brown is the dominant color for the sneaker. You can see the leather trim and piping on the shoe is featured in brown, but you also have the Paisley print with green and pink as well as blue. On the insole, you'll have the Nike SB logo as well as the Air Zoom logo in pink as well. We have a gum outsole with the Nike SB inset into the outsole itself. And we know the Nike SB Dunk Low is meant to be functional and intentional. It went through a lot of design changes over the years to accommodate skaters with the more plush tongue, the interior, which also features a lot of cushion for all-day riding and support and safety for your ankles. And I must say it's a much more comfortable fit, at least for me, versus a regular Dunk Low. So sound off your thoughts on this Nike SB Dunk Low.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take it.
Everybody, it's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ, and this sneaker is a long time coming to the channel. Now, it's already been posted on my Instagram at talks.with.tj and Twitter _talkswithtj, but it took a second to get it up here on the channel. Video, of course, is just a little bit more intensive. Went home for Mother's Day weekend, but finally uploading the video for the Nike SB Dunk Low Paisley. Now, this is the all-over print. There are other Paisley SB Dunk, or I actually should just say Paisley Dunks that have dropped, mostly in women's sizing, I believe, but none of those really caught my eye. It was the all-over print that did it for me, and I know that's a point of contention for some people. You either love the all-over print or you hate it. Here's the thing, sneakers are subjective. So if I love it and you hate it, awesome. If I hate it and you love it, awesome. That also comes down to the under part of the sneaker itself, right? So it does tear away or wear away if you honestly choose to skate in the sneaker itself. You'll see more of a beige suede underneath the Paisley material. I personally have zero intention of revealing that because I don't care for the look of the beige suede underneath for the shoe. It was the all over print again that drew me to the shoe. So just kind of keep that in mind. If people don't appreciate or don't like the actual tearaway that may be underneath, it could be based on the tearaway that is just present on that sneaker, or they just don't want to tear it away. Guess what? If you want to tear it away, shred it away, skate it away, that is up to you. I just, quite honestly, I don't choose to do that. And I think we have to keep that in mind. I've seen some people on social and they were like, well, hey, that was the whole point. Like there's an intention of a shoe being a wear away or a tear away for skater shoes. And I totally respect that. But if I'm spending my income, my money on the pair and I don't choose to tear it away, I don't have to tear it away. Also, I don't get any access to Nike SBs. Trust me, not even, listen, my local skate shop is not even an option. I checked in with a friend for his local skate shop to try and get these added to the collection when they drop because we had everything circulating, said February 2022 or March 2022 in skate shops and maybe on Nike.com. That was a big maybe because I've yet to see it populate on there. So if local skate shops got them, it was probably late February or even like March 30th was a date I saw floating around. I know for sure like EU, I believe EU and the UK got them. So I made my way to go to pick up my pair. What I have to do for most Nike SBs, I had to go to StockX for the infrared pair that honors the Air Max 90. I lucked up, thankfully, Atmos. I was able to get the, reverse Papa Bear through them, but yeah, I don't get access to Nike SB, so I have to pay. I know skaters absolutely hate that they don't get easy access to their shoes, but I'm gonna be honest with you, no one gets easy access really to their shoes anymore, regardless if they were meant for basketball or skating. That's just the landscape we live in right now. I've also heard talk that for some people the green is too overpowering in the shoe, or the brown, you know, it didn't shine enough in terms of the purple, pink, all the other tones present in the sneaker. Listen, I adore the purple present in this pair, and actually I chose to play up that a little bit more for all of the looks, but there are so many ways you could style this shoe. But let's just take a look at 3 of them for today's video. As intended for all-day wear with additional cushioning and padding, the Nike SB Dunk Low is a more comfortable fit than a regular Nike Dunk. One thing to note, in regular Nike Dunk Lows, I have to go up to a 6.5, but in these, or SBs, I can actually go true to size and they fit well. Here I'm rocking the Fear of God Essential Spring Summer 2022 Coach's jacket in the iron colorway, the Volley shorts in the pistachio colorway, and then the Jordan Women's Essential Tee in the mulberry colorway. So for the second look, the pants are from Minimal, the Snap Western pants. On top, you also have the Minimal pullover in the iridescent colorway. And underneath, I'm wearing the Jordan Alma Maniere t-shirt in the purple colorway that released with the Alma Maniere Jordan 3 Raised by Women. For these looks, I truly chose to play up more of the purple and pink design present within the sneaker itself. And the final look is a mix of Jordan and Nike, so I'm wearing the Jordan Women's Essential sweats. I love the fact that these have zippered pockets. And then the tie-dye Nike hoodie, courtesy of Hess Kicks. Appreciate you again for sending this over. It coordinates perfectly, at least to me, with the Nike SB Dunk Low Paisley print. Now the weather has broken. It feels much more like summer right now, so a lot of these will be pushed back to the fall. I also ordered this sneaker early April, so it was still cooler in my defense, but sound off, which is your favorite? So this sneaker is still reasonably priced, at least for myself, based on what I'm willing to pay, especially for Nike SBs. Like if a Nike SB, if I really want it, and it's right around that $200 mark because of the quality I'll get, quite possibly everything else that goes into it, I'm more willing to pay that than I am for some other pairs that may drop. There's just a lot dropping in 2022. Even if I like it, I don't like it enough to chase it. I have the Nike SB Dunk Low Atmos Elephant on my wish list. So again, I'll probably go back for that. But if a shoe is reasonably priced for yourself, I don't think there's anything wrong with treating yourself. If it's a little bit over what you may want to pay, hey, plan ahead and go ahead and make it happen. Life is short. Get the shoes just within reason. Don't, neglect any bills just because you want a sneaker. But I'm very happy this shoe is finally in the collection. I intend to rock this a lot, especially during the summer months. So go ahead and comment below. What do you think is the best SB Dunk Low to drop so far in 2022? Doesn't matter if it dropped here in the States, just period to drop in 2022. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.